Looking for headphones that keep up with every workout and adventure? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're diving into the Shokz OpenRun Pro 2-bone conduction headphones, featuring groundbreaking dual-pitch technology, bigger bass, and a secure open-ear fit. Designed for movement, they deliver premium sound, all-day comfort, and the freedom to stay aware wherever your adventures take you. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 headphones. Carrying case, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide. Product features. Delivers a powerful and balanced sound experience with deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. It enhances overall audio quality, making music feel more immersive, even with an open-ear design. Whether you're listening during workouts or daily use, it ensures consistent and rich performance without losing clarity. Lets you enjoy your music while staying fully aware of your surroundings. This makes it ideal for outdoor activities like running, cycling, or commuting, where safety is important. You can hear traffic, people, and environmental sounds clearly while still enjoying your audio. Designed with an ultralight frame that reduces pressure on your ears for long-lasting comfort. The flexible wraparound design ensures a stable and secure fit, even during fast movements or intense workouts. It stays in place comfortably whether you're exercising or using it throughout the day. Provides extended playback time for music, calls, and podcasts without frequent charging. Built to support long workouts, travel, and daily routines with reliable performance. Fast charging support ensures you can quickly power up and get back to using it when needed. Technical specifications. How to wear. Pick up the headphones and bring them behind the base of your neck. Place the ear hooks over your ears, making sure the transducers sit just in front of your ears on your cheekbones. Adjust for a comfortable, secure fit, then start enjoying your music. Wearing them incorrectly may cause discomfort. The transducers should always rest in front of your ears, not inside them. How to use? Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds until the LED flashes blue to turn on, and hold it for 3 seconds until the LED flashes red to turn off. In standby mode, click volume plus or volume minus to check battery level. While playing music, click volume plus or minus to adjust volume. Click the multifunction button to play pause music. Double-click it to skip to the next song, and triple-click to go to the previous song. To switch EQ modes, press and hold both the power or volume plus button and volume minus button while music is playing until you hear a beep. For calls, click the multifunction button to answer or end a call, and press and hold it for 2 seconds to reject a call. Press and hold the multifunction button for 2 seconds to activate the voice assistant. To mute a call, press and hold both volume plus and volume minus buttons together for 2 seconds during a call. To change the voice prompt language, Chinese Mandarin, English, Japanese Korean, first power off the headphones, then press and hold the power button and double-click the multifunction button. How to pair? To connect the OpenRun Pro 2, first make sure the headphones are powered off. Press and hold the power button until the LED begins flashing red and blue alternately, and you hear a voice prompt indicating pairing mode. Open the Bluetooth settings on your phone or device, select OpenRun Pro 2 by Shokz, and wait for the connection to complete. Once paired, your device will confirm that the headphones are successfully connected. Download and install the Shokz app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app, and the app automatically recognizes your device and unlocks additional controls and sound settings, allowing you to customize your headphones and adjust the audio experience according to your preference. How to charge. To charge your headphones, plug the included USB-C cable into the charging port on the device and connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator will light up to show that charging has started. When charging is complete, the LED indicator will turn blue to confirm the battery is fully charged. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use the approved charging method. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Handle and store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.